Welcome views, welcome back to Lifestyle where we bring to you the latest trust and reliable information. Donald Trump has finally run out of places to hide as House Dems get tax returns. Before I continue, if you are new to my channel I encourage you to hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so you will always be the first to get the latest information. The Democratic-managed U.S. House Ways and Means Committee on Wednesday obtained 6 years of former President Donald Trump's federal tax returns, finishing a 3-year conflict wherein the 2024 Republican presidential candidate fought fiercely in opposition to sharing files that each one of his predecessors in view that Richard Nixon have disclosed. Donald Trump has eventually run out of locations to hide, wrote Jason Easley and Sarah Jones at Politicusus's The Daily. For years the hypothesis approximately what's inside the tax returns that Trump had refused to launch ran rampant. Was he sincerely broke? Did he take cash from overseas governments? Did he devote crimes? There had been such a lot of questions, and now the solutions may want to eventually be arriving. The Internal Revenue Service's handover of Trump's returns got here every week after the U.S. Supreme Court rejected the previous president's bid to save the House committee from acquiring the filings. Earlier this month, Supreme Court Chief Justice John Roberts briefly blocked the IRS from turning over the files after Trump filed an emergency appeal. Democratic lawmakers say they want Trump's tax returns as a part of an attempt to decide the effectiveness of annual presidential audits. Trump and his prison group contend that Democrats are in search of the files, a good way to damage him politically. House Ways and Means Committee Chair Richard Neal, D. Massachusetts, first requested the U.S. Treasury Department for the returns in 2019. Trump turned into the primary president in a half of a century to refuse to reveal his tax returns while jogging for or whilst inside the White House, claiming he turned into below IRS audit a standing that doesn't avert disclosure. A 2020 New York Times investigation found that Trump did now no longer pay any federal earnings tax in 10 out of 15 years starting in 2000 due to persistent losses and years of tax avoidance.